Jules, what are those?
Bubbles?
Catch them. Bubbles?
Can you catch it? You're kicking them?
Say bubbles.
Where's the moon? Tell Mama, where's the moon? Where's the moon? What's in the front? There it is. Look. 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 There's the moon. Moon.
Where's the moon? Moon.
Moon.
Yay!
Yay!
The moon. Jules. Bubbles. I know. She's going to be ready to wear heels. Bubbles, catch them. Jules, where's the birds? Is there birds? Hey. Huli, is there birds? No bird, no.
Look at it, three-way kick. Kick it. Kick it. Step on. Step on. Step on. Step. Step. Bubble. 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 Hurley, look it. Hurley. Wow.
She's telling you to sit down. You want her to sit? You're getting all dirty and you just had a bath. Jules, can you wave? Say hi.
Hi.
Say elephant.
Elfie.
Horse.
Wait.
Dog.
No.
Cat.
Cat.
Kitty cat. Can you say Elizabeth?
Wait.
Mama?
Mama.
Bubba?
Baba.
Grandpa?
Yeah.
Okay, Grandpa? No. What about, can you say Abby? Grass? Jules, where's your eyes? Eyes? Show me. Nope, you're too busy with the bubbles. Okay. Say bye-bye, I love you.